Meet the LeCroys, a wonderful family with a newborn that has taken over their lives. And honestly, he's probably the most responsible one in the family.
Mommy's a little tipsy. Maybe he's safe. Disclaimer. Mommy's tipsy, but maybe he's safe. Wait, can we get our hands and have to pay? Let me see. What does it lead to?
Of course, it just leads to it probably just leads to out the end of that. But go. That pier goes way out there.
It leads to the sand. You don't want the sand.
Right.
Daddy say no sand.
Sand is lame. And plus on the pier we only have to pay. I'll pay.
I got cash. Wasted $300. Hey! Jacksonville Pier, paying the fee. Getting baby. To go. Ready? And daddies. It's gonna be fun. By herself. No. It's kind of chilly.
Huh?
It's so cold. I don't want to go all the way out. Are you not cold? Cheers. And hand them to me so I can get you a drink.
Hey, buddy.
You give it to me. Thank you, baby. Happy husband. Beautiful flowers. Happy wife.